Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the NORD FRB 721W refrigerator, a compact and reliable solution for everyday food storage. At first glance, this fridge stands out with its clean white finish and practical minimalist design. It fits perfectly into apartments, small kitchens, offices, or vacation homes without taking up too much space. Despite its compact dimensions, the refrigerator offers a total capacity of 240 liters, giving you plenty of room for groceries, drinks, vegetables, and frozen products. The lower freezer compartment provides convenient organization for frozen food and helps separate fresh and frozen storage areas more efficiently. This model uses a drip cooling system that maintains stable temperatures and helps keep food fresh during everyday use. The refrigerator operates quietly, making it comfortable for smaller living spaces where noise levels matter. Inside, you'll find adjustable shelves and practical door compartments that allow flexible organization depending on your needs. Another advantage is its energy-efficient operation, helping reduce electricity consumption while maintaining reliable cooling performance. Overall, the NORD FRB 721W is a simple, practical, and budget-friendly refrigerator designed for users who want dependable cooling and smart space organization without unnecessary complexity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next review.